Oh, that's really close. For your own good, little buddy.
Whoa, easy there, Zipper. He's so happy. Whoa, he's in a little guy. He's in a little guy. Okay.
Did you get him sticking his tongue in my mouth?
Sorry.
Oh, for Christ's sake!
We're all gonna be one happy family! We're gonna have dinner! And we're gonna watch TV and be like everybody else! I'm your daddy now! Mom's not here! Bless her soul! Okay, we'll do it. Ready?